So recommended SEO plugin for WordPress. Well, I hate WordPress, but am forced to still use it in some cases. And so my preferred SEO plugin is SEO Press Pro, the SEO Press Pro plugin. That's what I use. Rank Math is decent. I used Rank Math for several years until I was turned on to SEO Press and Rank Math Pro. I mean, I always use the Pro versions of SEO plugins because it helps you to eliminate a lot of additional plugins, because with the Pro version, it incorporates a lot of things that you would have other plugins for. So it makes it a little bit easier to manage WordPress, but WordPress is a nightmare to manage, in my opinion, anymore. It's just ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. I fucking hate WordPress, just to be clear. Okay. I don't like it anymore at all, just because it requires so much updates and management and hacking potential and everything else. And Adam's about to chime in, so you
Oh,
must
I was
have a
just
comment
joking.
about
I
it
was
as
gonna
well.
say, like, Bradley, are you trying to say that you don't like WordPress?
Yeah, let me tell you how I really feel. No, but seriously, WordPress is a pain in the ass, and every time I log into it, I've got dozens of updates, and it, it's easy to be hacked, and there's just so much crap that I don't like dealing with WordPress. Now that high level sites are performing well, I prefer building sites in high level. Okay, for all the reasons I've mentioned many times.